How to add and insert watermark on Google Docs document on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me. Let's say that you just finished editing and writing your Google Docs and you want to add a watermark. So all what you have to do is go here in the top, click on insert and go down to watermark right here like this. Now choose text or image and add your watermark. I'm gonna add, for example, let's say how to media. Now as you can see, the watermark is here easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.